In this video, we will be replacing the front blinker light bulbs in this 2012 Ford F-150.
Through the driver's side door, we want to locate the hood release latch and raise the hood. And taking a look at our headlamp assembly, we have two fasteners located on the top and one fastener located on the left side, this being for the driver's side headlamp. And these are 10mm fasteners. If we use some pressure and pull straight outwards, we can dislodge that headlamp assembly. If we take a little closer look, we can see two metal tabs that were holding this in place.
Taking a look at our assembly, we have our headlamp location in the center, we have our blinker bulb location towards the base, and we have our side marker light location off to the side of our assembly.
And with that blinker wiring harness identified, we can rotate the wiring harness counterclockwise and work that out, and this bulb will then pull straight out. And I do like to compare my old bulb with my new bulb. This calls for a 3157NA bulb for these blinkers, and we will be installing these with some cloth gloves to prevent us from touching the glass of the bulb. And that new bulb will push straight in. Now it is worth noting that one of our tabs is a little bit bigger than the other two. So when we install this, we want to make sure it is oriented correctly. And we can reinstall that, rotating it clockwise. And access to the bulb, as well as the procedure to install a new bulb for the passenger side, is the exact same. And with our bulb replaced, we can reseat that headlamp assembly, as well as reinstall those three fasteners. And this repair is complete.